Welcome to Omnivarsity.
Venn diagrams. These are the few types of Venn diagrams that can come in the exam. Let us see a few examples. Find the diagram that indicates the best relation between the objects. So in the first question, three objects are given: tall men, long hair and Indian. We need to find out the relationship through Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is already been given here. So let's take the first circle for tall men. So some tall men can have long hair and they can even be Indian. Let the second circle be for long hair. So there can be tall men with long hair and we define it using this intersection. Let the third circle be of Indian. People with long hair can be Indian too. So this intersection shows long hair and Indian. Tall men can be Indian. So this intersection is between tall men and Indian. And the intersection that I am marking with red is for tall men with long hair and who are Indian. Let's see another example. Mineral ore and coal. Minerals are naturally occurring substances from where we can extract fuel. So let the bigger circle be of minerals. Now ores and coal are both minerals but are not the same. So we are going to place them in different circles with no intersection. In the next question we have mothers, female and doctor. So let the bigger circle be of females. A mother has to be a female, so I'm going to put a circle inside female and name it mother. The third circle is of doctors. Now doctors can be female, mothers or male. This intersection shows doctors who are mothers and this part shows doctors who are female. The next question we have science subject, physics and geography. Let the bigger circle be for science subjects. We are very clear about the fact that physics is a science subject. So we put physics inside science subject. Now geography with a combination of mathematics can be called a science subject. There are parts of geography where there's physics involved too. So geography will come here. This intersection is of science subject and geography. This is the intersection between physics and geography. Let's go to the next question. Cricket player, tennis fan and singer. While we understand this question, let us look into another question. This part says cricketer, footballer and singer. We need to know what professional terms and non-professional terms are before we start doing this problem. Words like cricketer, footballer and singer are known as professional terms. A professional cricketer cannot be a professional footballer. A professional footballer cannot be a professional cricketer or a singer. Terms like cricket player or football player are non-professional terms. We can assume that a cricket player plays cricket by hobby and thus can also play football. Now using this information, let us solve these two questions. Since in the first question we are using all non-professional terms, I can conclude that a cricket player can be a tennis fan or a singer. The first circle I keep for cricket players. In the second circle, I'm going to place tennis fan. Since cricket players can be tennis fans too, we denote it by this intersection. The third circle is for singers. Tennis fans can be singers too. And cricket players can be singers too. The intersection in red represents cricket players who are tennis fans and singers. In the next question, however, we are using professional terms. So a cricketer cannot be a footballer or a singer. Thus we are using three separate circles here. One for cricketer, one for footballer, and the other one is for singer. There are no intersection between these three circles. The next three objects are professionals, advocate and professors. We know that both advocate and professors are professionals. So the bigger circle I'm assigning to professionals. Now, advocates can be professors too, and professors can be advocates too. In the next question, we have pets, dogs, and cats as objects. We know that cats and dogs are totally different. So, we are going to assign two very different circles to both of them with no intersection. I am assigning the first circle to cats, the second to dogs. Pets can be either cats or dogs or any other animal. This intersection is for pets who are dogs, and this intersection is for pets who are cats. Let's take another example. Here we have science subjects, physics and chemistry. We know that both physics and chemistry are science subjects. So we are going to take this big circle for science subjects. Smaller circle is for physics and the other smaller circle is for chemistry. The intersection between them is for physics chemistry. In the next question we have India, West Bengal and Kolkata. We know that Kolkata is inside West Bengal and West Bengal is inside India. So we can represent it by keeping Kolkata in the circle inside West Bengal, which will be inside India. In the next question, we have female, mother, and father. We know that every mother needs to be a female, whereas a father is neither female nor a mother. So, this big circle I'm gonna assign to female. Inside female, we have mothers, and father will have no intersection between female or mother.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Omnivarsity.